Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign out or delete an account from your Windows mailing account. So what we're going to do, we're going to go over to the bottom of the screen on the left and we're going to type in mail. On typing in mail, you're going to get these options. All you have to do is click on the mail app, tap on it, and give it a few seconds. Now, at the top, you will see the email address that you are currently signed into. Then you can just scroll around to see the other emails that you'd like to sign out from or delete. So what you're going to do, you're going to go to the bottom here and you're going to tap on settings. On tapping on settings, you're going to be taken over to another interface on the right here. You simply have to tap on manage accounts. On tapping on manage accounts, you'll get an option of all the emails that you're logged in as. You're going to tap on it and then you can come here and type the email address that you'd like to delete or sign out from. So if you delete the account, you'll be signed out from it. So that's it. I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any questions for me, please drop it in the comment section. And thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Chat with you later and bye.